This is a story about Lucy.
Good night, Mr. Bunny.
Good night, Mr. Bunny, Lucy whispers, hugging her soft toy close. The room is quiet. Lucy is asleep. But outside, the wind begins to howl. Clouds roll in fast. Listen. Tap, tap, tap. Rain. Lucy's eyes open. What was that? A sudden flash. Lightning. Boom. Thunder shakes the walls. Lucy, breathing fast. I don't like this.
I don't like this.
The lights flicker, and suddenly, darkness. No, no! Lucy slides off the bed. Mom? Dad?
Mom! Dad!
She runs to the door. Open! Open, please!
Open, please!
She pulls. It won't move. Oh no!
No.
Please!
Please!
The house feels different now. Too quiet, too dark. I'm all alone. A shadow stretches across the wall. Lucy freezes. Her toys look wrong, taller, stranger. Her heart pounds. No monster, no monster. The shadow moves. It is a monster. Lucy backs away. Go away! Please go away! Down the hallway, rain pounds harder. Emma stops walking. That thunder was loud, she says softly. Lucy hates storms.
That thunder was loud. Mom! Please!
Jamie looks up from the couch. I'll check the power, he says. You go to her. Emma nods and rushes upstairs. Lucy is crying now. Mom, please!
Please!
Emma reaches the door. It's stuck. Lucy, sweetheart, Emma calls. I'm here. Mom, I'm scared. Emma pushes again. Click. The door opens. Light from the hallway spills in. Lucy runs straight into her arms. The room feels warmer instantly. I thought you were gone, Lucy whispers. Emma kneels and hugs her tight. Oh, my brave girl, I'm right here. Lucy points under the bed. There's something there.
There's something there.
Emma smiles gently.
Let's check together.
Let's check together. She turns on the flashlight. They look. Just a shirt, folded weirdly. Lucy blinks.
That's Dad.
That's Dad's. Emma laughs softly. Your monster has terrible fashion. Lucy giggles through her tears. Suddenly, a shadow crawls up the wall again. Lucy tenses. Emma holds her hand. Watch. She moves the light slowly. The shadow turns into a tiny bunny shape. Lucy gasps. It's cute. Just like you, Emma says. Lucy sits up straighter. The thunder fades into distant rumbles. The rain softens. The lights flicker, and come back on. Lucy smiles wide. I wasn't brave alone. I was brave with you. Emma kisses her forehead. And next time, she says, handing Lucy a small flashlight, you can use the light yourself. Lucy clicks it on. The room glows.
No more scary shadows.
No more scary shadows, Lucy declares.
Storm's gone. And I hear a very brave girl stayed strong.
Jamie peeks in from the doorway. Storm's gone, he says, and I hear a very brave girl stayed strong. Lucy smiles proudly.
Good night.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad.
Good night, she says, tucking her in. Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. Lucy closes her eyes. The rain stops. The night is peaceful again. And Lucy sleeps, feeling safe, strong, and brave.